Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, today, I'm going to talk about a few things. So, the first thing we're going to talk about Jamaica is these missing children. Me telling you, say, me have everything packed up. Because a lot of children are going missing. A lot of young people are going missing. But true because, the whole thing go down, whole shebang and the place busy and, and Johannes, Christopher Tufton and the whole lot of them. So that's why I never come and talk about this. Anyway, you can take a look at my screen. So missing is Veronica Barracks. She's 17 years old. She was last seen at her home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on June 15. She was last seen wearing a royal blue tunic, yellow belt, blue socks and black shoes. My wisdom warriors. I know she alone missing. There is more, but me go get to that. Right now, if anybody see this young lady, her name is Veronica Barracks, I'm asking you to contact the nearest police station. The nearest police station, my wisdom warriors, if we no spot her anywhere in the country, because our children are going missing and we don't know what really are going on. We just don't know. And it is getting worse. So please, guys, if anybody have seen her, want to just contact the Portmore police station or the nearest police station. Also, Camille Simmons, she's only 14 years old. She was last seen at her home in Ferry District, Kingston 20 on Friday, June 7. She was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, black jeans, and black and white sneakers. My wisdom warriors, she's only 14 years old. Take a look at her. Her name is Camille Simmons. If anybody have seen this young lady anywhere in Jamaica, please may I beg you, contact the nearest police station or contact the Duhenny Park at 876-933-4280. All right? Also missing is Anna K. White. She is 16 years of age. She was last seen at the Homestead Place of Safety in St. Andrew on June the 7th. She was last seen wearing her uniform, light blue navy blue skirt, red tie, and black shoes. If anyone have seen this young lady, her name is Anna K. Please to contact the Stony Hill Police Station on 876-942-2223. Or you can contact the nearest police station. My wisdom warriors, you see what me I telling you? Our young people still going missing. Nowhere to be found. Nobody no know where them there. Family member no know where them there, where them gone for weeks, for months. Look, this one, Anna K, she's missing from 7th of June. And today is what, the 27th? Something is not right. Why is our children going missing? At this, me want Andrew Holness use him tracker. It's like him can track down social media. Me want him use a tracker and track down these missing young ladies. And that me wouldn't like Andrew Holness though. Andrew Holness, Horace Chang, National Security, Horace Chang, sleepy. You need to start use a tracker on a Pegasus spyware we wanna have. Use it to track down the missing pitney them. Use it to track them down. Wanna for do no do. Wanna for do, but you we out here talking the truth. You come and switch it to talk about misinformation. Nobody no give misinformation like uno labor right. I only give pure misinformation. And as a prime minister, you stand up and telling lies. That is so bad. That is very, very bad. I can't believe you. You're not an honorable man. In my opinion, you're not honorable and you're not credible. None at all. There's nothing good about you. And you don't have no good governance. You don't even want to sign the code of conduct. Not even that you don't want to sign. So who the hell you think you is? Use your tracker where you have, where you say on a track down to find somebody who want to claim say I work for other party, which we know say a lie on tell. You understand? But you say you have tracker. Use the tracker to find the missing pitney them. And that you fi do. And stop focus on we. Stop because on the things so we not go distract we. We can't distract we. My wisdom warriors. Member say Integrity Commission drop off. Member say Integrity Commission drop off the report, my wisdom warriors. So then think so them are going to distract we. They think so you going to stop me from talk. You not want to stay there. And now we are going to chat. So my wisdom warriors, misinformation. Because this is one here. Me I tell you no, she just start. And this a girl coming like she in a hit from Wappy Kill Philip. This a girl dangerous like Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness own heart this. You no look pan her good. You think I want easy woman this year? When me say she come out and a defend Daryl Vaz about Mark Golden passport issues. Me look pan that woman here different. Me know say it's a dangerous woman. She a no easy girl this. And she had the misinformation about the place. That one here. You hear what she name? Misinformation. And she is the information minister. Some of just call her misinformation. Because fierce lines that. She take it over from Nesta Morgan. Me say my wisdom warriors, when me hear this a woman here come out as an information minister, she came out and defending Daryl Vaz. I look upon her different. Me say Andrew Holness really groom her good enough. Really. Teach her good enough, my wisdom warriors. If you come and I come misinform we. Seriously. Information Minister Dr. Dana Morris Dixon has indicated the government's readiness to go after people who spread blatant lies online. Dixon also sought to assure Jamaicans that the government is not engaged in any tracking or curtailing of citizens who speak negatively of the administration. So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear this here? She said government is not engaged in any tracking or curtailing of citizens who speak negatively of the administration. Me not understand. So government is not engaged in any tracking, but Andrew Holness came out and said him track down. Remember good no my wisdom warriors. Remember good. Me tell us all of them are liar. Hear it. It all over social media. Andrew Holness came on public platform and tell we say there's a youth that has been set up by another party and he say him track them down. And that Andrew Holness say, what go on? My wisdom warriors, take in this.
Expression, I think the first one is to speak to issues related to misinformation and disinformation. There's a lot of talk about this area, and I think it's important that we clarify. The administration has always been and will always be deeply committed to protecting democracy in Jamaica.
What kind of democracy she a talk about? No democracy in there Jamaica. So I don't know what she a talk about. Hear more.
And we are deeply committed to protecting democracy from any threats that there are. And governments around the world are dealing with this issue of misinformation and disinformation, especially on social media. And we've seen it. We know what happens. Anyone can say anything and it is amplified around the country and around the world. And it is important that as we protect the rights of our people and protect the right to freedom of expression and speech, that at the same time it is grounded in truth.
My wisdom warriors, what she attack say? What she attacks about protect rights? Uno not protect no rights. Uno not do nothing to help Jamaican people. So after so do not talk about protect rights. What kind of rights uno protect? Uno the same one will come out on social media and tell pure lie. Uno the one that do that. Uno, my girl, your MP then come out and do it. Jamaica Labour Party, they all over Twitter and tell pure lie upon the opposition. So I hope you start from look in a phone team. Because no PNP blogger not tell no lie out here. None. The only person them we tell lie out here is JLP bloggers. No PNP bloggers not tell no lie. Not even one minister tell no lie. None. My wisdom warriors. So when she come out and she talk about protect right, shut up. Because you not protect Jamaican rights. You not protect no rights to Jamaican people. Uno move and go away. Bright and stink and out of order. But uno I go protect what? Eh? Uno can't even protect a little baby them. Eh? Uno can't even protect a little baby them. Me say she rank, you see my wisdom warriors. Me say, this a woman here. You see, the first time when me see her, and me hear she talk, me say, no man, this a one here, Andrew, let's plant this a one here. And then when me hear she come out and talk about Mark Golding and a defend Daryl Vaz, me say, blouse and skirt. My girl, I hope you know where you get yourself in. She can talk about protect rights and protect whatever. I una alone come out here and chat shit and tell lies. Your own prime minister stand up and tell lie to Jamaican people. Go and talk to your prime minister. Don't come chat to we. Don't come chat to we, girl. Because we don't rate you. We don't like you, boy. Yeah. So don't come out and chat to social media. Nobody not give no fake news. Look in our cabinet. I wall out in there. I give fake news. The wall out are racist in a phone cabinet. The wall out are racist.
And so we love the robust debate. And I say it all the time. It is important in a democracy that we can have dissent and that we can say, you're not doing good as a government. We don't like what you're doing, or you need to do this better. That's what a democracy is. And that's fine. And that's what we want to encourage, but not encouraging persons to post blatant lies online that then fuel a lot of this issue of disinformation and misinformation. And so it's very important that we understand that what the government is saying is that what is posted on social media needs to be based in truth. And in that vein, what we have said is that where there are issues or instances where we know individuals have posted things that are not true, that we will have to go after those individuals in terms of prosecuting them. And there are laws that are available. And I think the goal of everything that we are doing is ensuring that we are in an environment that is based on truth. That is what it is about. And so there is no tracking of people. There is no curtailing of people saying anything that is negative. That is absolutely not the case. It's just that we have to protect truth. And so this notion that we shouldn't go after those who perpetuate fake news is really strange, because around the world we see it happening in every country. Fake news is a problem.
No, they don't
and
have
it's
any
fake, which means it's not truthful.
They have
and we are a
ventilated, they're saying
country
that they
that
don't
is
have the
built on
space.
truth.
At
And we
Mandeville, they're
will
saying that they're
protect that in this
the doctors,
administration.
they're trying their
in
best.
terms of the
But
way
if they have
forward,
equipment,
what we will be doing
their lives that that they
is
could have,
primarily
that they
focusing
can
on
save,
social media
if they have all of the equipment in
literacy,
place.
and that's important.
But they
How
really
do you
don't.
know what's
I really
true?
want my daughter
Because
to,
sometimes you see these videos and
to
you think,
get a
oh my
ventilator.
gosh, that
So I
sounds
don't know
right.
if the
But
minister,
you're not really
Tufton
sure.
can see this
And so
help,
we will
or
be
Andrew Owens.
using
I don't know
our
what it is,
broadcasting
but I
commission,
really
and
need
they've
my daughter
already
to be on a
independently
ventilator
started
ASAP,
to
because
work
she-
on a
this has been
public
3 weeks now. She
education
has been
campaign
fighting. She
that
just really
helps
needs
our
to
Jamaican
go on
people
the
to
ventilator.
understand what's true, what's not, how to figure out if something is true, in fact. And we will, obviously, as a part of that, point to some of you in this room, the traditional media in this room. We will say to them, go to traditional media. That's where you can actually find out if something is real or is not. And so the primary thing we'll be doing at this time is enhancing public education to help individuals to understand what's real and what's not real. And I know I get a lot of questions sometimes on AI. AI is an area that we have to really be looking at, because with AI, fake news, disinformation can be even more potent. And so it is very important that we teach Jamaicans how to understand what's real, what's a real video, what's not a real video, so that we can have conversations that are based in truth and not based in untruths. And so I had to say that at the start, because it's a very important issue that we are grappling with, and it's a conversation we have to have as a people. And so I know the administration is happy that we're having the conversation. There are no new legislations at this time. We have some that are already on the that are already there. We have the Cyber Crimes Act. We have laws around libel. There are already laws that exist and that can be used in terms of prosecuting individuals who do not speak truth online. But before we even get there, the key thing is, let us have public education. Let us have a discourse about what's the right approach going forward. As
My wisdom warriors, she irritate me. She a talk to we like say a primary school she a teach. And so she talk to we. Come out and a talk to the Jamaican people like a primary school with it. Look and listen the way how she talk. She a come talk to we like a class she a teach. And I come talk about them. There's no democracy in Jamaica because if Andrew Holness have to track down I will on a liar. Andrew Holness say him track down a youth. And when he track him down, the youth say at the other side, set it up and pay him. At that Andrew Holness say. So me don't know what this one year come out and a chat off fear mouth say. Me say the woman irritate me so much. I can't stand her. Seriously, I cannot stand her. I don't like the bone in this woman here. She and Christopher Tufton. I don't like the bone in them. Because all she does, she not do shit for Jamaica, you know. She just start other day and come out and defend. That's all she does. Like, please. The whole owner is enemy of progress. The whole owner is the enemy of progress. And the whole owner fi go down. The whole owner fi go down. Me just a pray and a hope God open Jamaican people eye for make them see. Because me can't believe say whole owner so fool. No, sir. Me not think so. Me know say enough Jamaican people say wagwan. A whole heap of people reach out to me. Whole heap of people. We for unite, brother. And that me I tell you no, because them a people hey, Jano. Me say this a woman here irritate me. Me don't know where she come from. I can't stand her. The way she speaks, she talk to me like say she in a primary school. You know, like when you play netball or so she a move. Or she a teach a class, a grade 1, grade 2, and I talk to. Hey, girl, go ahead. We don't want to hear nothing from you. Go and lecture your prime minister. Will come out and I tell we peer lie, girl. And that's if you go do. We don't want to hear nothing from you. My wisdom warriors, I see this in the article. Nobody thinks so we forget about the DPP, you know. So nobody feels so we never come with that distraction and then take time and bring her in. That now go happen. We not forget about DPP, Paula Llewellyn. You understand me? So, Nationwide post this, my wisdom warriors. And you know them already. Them have a way how they fix up, you know, them title and make it look like the PNP are the worst. Anyway, them PNP lawyers press to justify why Paula Llewellyn extension as DPP unconstitutional. So, Nationwide say PNP lawyers press to justify. Why them have to use that? I mean PNP lawyer press to justify. Me tell you the way how they write them title is just so crazy. At least one of 3 judges hearing the appeal of the ruling that cut short Paula Llewellyn's tenure as Director of Public Prosecutions appeared skeptical of the PNP argument that Parliament improperly granted her a second extension in office. Justice Kisak Leng repeatedly pressed lawyers for the PNP to justify why they considered the constitutional amendment a second extension if Ms. Llewellyn was properly in office at the time the law was passed. It's a central point in the high-stake appeal on which the government and the opposition disagree. My wisdom warrior, I do not know why them even allow them people here but them appeal things. After they know say it is not in the constitution. Them know say what them do it is against the constitution. They should even give her no blasted appeal for appeal. No, because all them want to do is bring back the DPP. She's been in the court system for decades. She's been a DPP for decades. Come on now. Why una does I go back and forth? Make your man go yard, man. Seriously, nobody no like her. A whole heap of things, all heap of people should put a prison, man. We don't want to see her. We don't want to hear from her, man. But say they irritate me, see? Them irritate and upset my spirit. We don't just have this bloody case of back. We know, wanna make sure say, make sure say DPP take her bag, take her 2 foot them and go yard. We don't want her to be with DPP anymore. We want a new DPP. We don't want her. She do her time, man. Give somebody else a chance. And all I see them a go on my wisdom warrior. I bring them one, bring her back. Bring them one, bring her back. Why PNP liar after explain self? Explain what kind of self? Then I say Andrew Holness break the constitution and this is what he likes to do a lot. And none of you protest. None of you in the court system. None of you protest against this. None of you talk about it. When you never get, when you did look peer rise, you judges, you want next one. When you did look peer rise, the whole of you strike. The whole of you strike. Now, Andrew Holness a break constitution law. None of you say nothing about it. Seriously, man. We're tired of the DPP. We don't want her anymore. She fi go sit down. She not have grandpitney and great-grandpitney fi go look after. I do not know. I'm just saying. Go and go look after your grandpitney if you have any. My God, man. Spend little time, man. Lord Jesus, leave we alone. We don't want it anymore. We're not happy with you. We not listen, DPP. DPP. With all respect, thank you. Thank you for your service. But 89% of Jamaica don't want you to be DPP. 89%, maybe all 90, maybe all 100 too. Yeah? But 89% do not want you to come back, darling. Go on, man. Make somebody else get the millions now. Make somebody else making money now. Come on, man. Have little heart. Or something make you can't live. I must something. My wisdom warriors. You know, so this is deeper than what we think, you know. This is deeper than what we think. Because she couldn't wicked so. Want just be DPP right through. And not give somebody else a chance. No, sir. She couldn't wicked so. Maybe something is more to it. Maybe something is more to it. But do not tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my Zelle and my PayPal. The link I got there in the comment section. You can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-1997. Blessings upon blessings. One love.